watch collecting trap convinces enthusiasts they need dozens of watches for different occasions. But smart collectors are discovering that one exceptional Swiss automatic can genuinely replace entire collections. We're talking versatile timepieces combining professional specifications with refined aesthetics, delivering sports watch durability with dress watch elegance, and offering enough visual interest to prevent boredom throughout years of daily wearing. From integrated bracelet sports watches to field watches transitioning seamlessly between environments, from dive watches elegant enough for suits to GMT complications handling business travel, these Swiss watches prove that quality beats quantity. Today, we're revealing 10 affordable Swiss automatics that can genuinely replace your entire collection while looking expensive enough that nobody questions your only watch choice. Number 10. Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 Silicium. The Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 Silicium delivers ultimate versatility at $730 by transitioning seamlessly from business formal to weekend casual effortlessly. This refined timepiece features silicon hairspring providing anti-magnetic properties crucial for modern life surrounded by electronics and magnetic fields constantly. The 40mm case with slim profile slides under dress shirt cuffs for business meetings, while the sporty aesthetics work perfectly for casual weekends. The Powermatic 80 movement with 80-hour power reserve means you can rotate wearing without the watch stopping throughout extended periods. The variety of dial colors including blue, silver, and anthracite creates enough visual variety that one watch doesn't feel monotonous daily. The sapphire crystal and 100-meter water resistance provide durability, handling everything from swimming to rain without babying the watch constantly. What makes this replace entire collections is the gentleman balancing refined elegance with casual versatility that specialized watches cannot match. The Swiss automatic movement and quality construction ensure this watch survives decades of daily wearing, becoming genuine heirloom piece. The $730 pricing means investing in one quality Swiss automatic rather than accumulating multiple fashion watches that break quickly. Number 9. Hamilton Khaki Field Auto 40mm. The Hamilton Khaki Field Auto 40mm replaces collections at $595 by delivering military heritage that works equally well in boardrooms and wilderness. This versatile timepiece features authentic military proportions and aesthetics that transition surprisingly well from tactical to business casual environments. The 40mm sizing represents perfect balance between presence and elegance, fitting under dress shirt cuffs while maintaining visibility outdoors. The H10 movement with 80-hour power reserve provides weekend convenience, ensuring the watch keeps running during collection rotation periods. The variety of dial colors, including khaki, black, and blue, provides enough options that one watch doesn't feel limiting throughout wearing. The 100-meter water resistance and sapphire crystal ensure durability handling daily activities from swimming to outdoor adventures without concerns. What makes this genuinely replace collections is the field watch design proving surprisingly versatile across dress codes and situations. The drilled lugs facilitate easy strap changes, allowing transformation from casual NATO to elegant leather, creating multiple looks. The authentic military heritage and Swiss quality ensure this watch becomes a lifelong companion rather than temporary collection piece. Number 8. Certina DS Action Diver Powermatic 80. The Certina DS Action Diver Powermatic 80 replaces collections at $750 by combining professional diving capability with elegant proportions. This versatile diver features 300-meter water resistance, providing serious diving capability, while the 43mm case remains elegant enough for suits. The ceramic bezel insert and sapphire crystal ensure the watch maintains pristine appearance throughout years of diverse wearing situations. The Powermatic 80 movement with 80-hour power reserve provides convenience during rotation, ensuring the watch keeps running throughout weekends. The variety of dial colors creates enough visual interest that one watch doesn't feel monotonous throughout extended daily wearing. The 300-meter rating provides enormous confidence, handling any water activity from swimming pools to scuba diving without concerns. What makes this replace entire collections is professional dive watches proving surprisingly versatile when proportions remain elegant rather than oversized. The DS Concept durability ensures the watch survives everything from diving to desk work without showing excessive wear quickly. The Swiss automatic movement and quality construction justify daily wearing rather than keeping watches as safe queens in boxes. Number 7. Mito Commander Big Date. The Mito Commander Big Date replaces collections at $890 by delivering refined dress watch elegance with contemporary practicality. This sophisticated timepiece features prominent big date display, providing practical functionality while maintaining elegant aesthetics appropriate for formal wear. The 40mm case size represents perfect proportions for dress watches, fitting under cuffs while maintaining adequate contemporary presence. The caliber 80 movement with 80-hour power reserve ensures the watch keeps running throughout weekends without requiring daily wearing. The variety of dial colors, including silver, blue, and black, provides enough visual variety that one watch remains interesting daily. The sapphire crystal and exhibition case back demonstrate quality construction, ensuring this watch survives decades of daily wearing. What makes this genuinely replace collections is refined aesthetics working professionally, while the big date adds visual interest preventing boredom. The Swiss automatic movement and quality finishing ensure this watch becomes genuine heirloom rather than disposable fashion piece. The Commander proves that dress watches with practical complications can genuinely replace entire collections when executed thoughtfully. Number 6. Tissot PRX Powermatic 80. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 replaces collections at $650 by combining integrated bracelet sports watch aesthetics with remarkable versatility. This contemporary timepiece features 40mm slim profile sliding under dress shirt cuffs while maintaining sports watch character and presence. The integrated bracelet design creates cohesive aesthetics that work equally well with suits and casual wear throughout various occasions. The Powermatic 80 movement with 80-hour power reserve ensures weekend convenience during rotation without the watch stopping unnecessarily. The variety of dial colors, including blue, green, and anthracite, provides enough visual variety that one watch doesn't feel limiting. The waffle dial texture creates visual interest that photographs beautifully, ensuring the watch remains engaging throughout extended daily wearing. What makes this genuinely replace entire collections is the PRX proving that integrated bracelet sports watches offer ultimate versatility. The Quick Adjust clasp provides perfect fit throughout the day as wrist size changes with temperature and activity levels. The Swiss automatic movement and quality construction ensure this watch survives decades, becoming genuine one-watch collections successfully. Number 5. Hamilton Jazzmaster Open Heart Auto. The Hamilton Jazzmaster Open Heart Auto replaces collections at $695 by showcasing mechanical beauty that prevents boredom throughout ownership. This engaging timepiece features skeleton dial, revealing the balance wheel, creating visual interest that solid dials cannot replicate daily. The 40mm case size provides perfect proportions working professionally, while the mechanical display adds sophistication to casual wearing. The H10 movement with 80-hour power reserve provides convenience, while the open heart creates engagement that prevents watch fatigue. The variety of dial colors creates enough options that one watch doesn't feel monotonous throughout years of daily wearing. The refined aesthetics work perfectly in business environments, while the mechanical display adds conversation piece appeal during social occasions. What makes this genuinely replace collections is the open heart dial, providing endless visual interest, preventing boredom. The Swiss automatic movement and quality finishing ensure this watch becomes lifelong companion rather than temporary collection piece. The Jazzmaster proves that watches showcasing mechanical beauty can genuinely replace entire collections through sustained engagement. Number 4. Longines Hydro Conquest Automatic. The Longines Hydro Conquest Automatic replaces collections at $1,050 by combining professional diving with prestigious Swiss brand recognition. This versatile diver features 300-meter water resistance, providing serious diving capability, while the Longines Prestige works professionally. The 41mm or 43mm sizing options accommodate different preferences while maintaining elegant proportions appropriate for various occasions. The ceramic bezel insert and sapphire crystal ensure the watch maintains pristine appearance throughout years of diverse wearing. The Swiss automatic movement provides reliability, while the Longines brand ensures respect in professional environments requiring prestigious watches. The variety of dial colors provides enough visual variety that one watch doesn't feel limiting throughout extended ownership. What makes this replace entire collections is Longines, delivering professional specifications with brand prestige at accessible pricing. The Hydro Conquest proves that prestigious dive watches can genuinely replace collections when proportions remain elegant rather than oversized. The Swiss quality and Longines heritage ensure this watch becomes genuine heirloom, surviving decades of daily wearing. Number 3. Mito Ocean Star GMT. The Mito Ocean Star GMT replaces collections at $1,350 by delivering dual time zone functionality with professional dive watch capability. This comprehensive timepiece features GMT complication, providing travel watch functionality, while 200-meter water resistance handles water activities. The 44mm case provides substantial presence, while the overall proportions remain elegant enough for business travel and professional wearing. The Caliber 80 movement with 80-hour power reserve provides weekend convenience, while the GMT hand tracks home time during travel. The ceramic bezel and sapphire crystal ensure the watch maintains appearance throughout years of diverse travel and wearing. What makes this genuinely replaced collections is combining GMT travel functionality with dive watch capability in one package. The Ocean Star GMT eliminates needing separate travel and dive watches by delivering both capabilities in one versatile timepiece. The Swiss automatic movement and quality construction ensure this watch becomes ultimate travel companion surviving decades of worldwide adventures. Number 2. Certina DS-PH200M. The Certina DS-PH200M replaces collections at $995 by delivering vintage dive watch aesthetics with modern Swiss reliability. This heritage-inspired timepiece features 200-meter water resistance in vintage proportions that work surprisingly well with business casual and formal wear. The 42.8mm case size represents perfect balance between dive watch presence and elegant proportions appropriate for various occasions. The ceramic bezel and sapphire crystal ensure the watch maintains pristine appearance throughout years of diverse wearing situations. The Powermatic 80 movement with 80-hour power reserve provides weekend convenience during rotation without the watch stopping unnecessarily. The vintage aesthetics create timeless appeal that won't feel dated as trends change throughout years and decades. What makes this replace entire collections is vintage dive watches proving remarkably versatile across dress codes and situations. The DS-PH200M demonstrates that heritage-inspired designs can genuinely replace collections through timeless aesthetics and quality construction. The Swiss automatic movement ensures this watch survives decades, becoming genuine heirloom rather than temporary fashion piece. Number 1. Hamilton Khaki Aviation Pilot Day-Date Auto. The Hamilton Khaki Aviation Pilot Day-Date Auto absolutely dominates at $745 by delivering comprehensive functionality with remarkable versatility. This ultimate one-watch solution features day-date complication, providing practical calendar information while maintaining aviation watch character. The 42mm case size provides excellent visibility while the proportions remain elegant enough for business formal environments. The H30 movement with 80-hour power reserve ensures weekend convenience while the day-date eliminates needing separate complications. The variety of dial colors provides enough visual variety that one watch doesn't feel monotonous throughout years. The authentic aviation heritage from Hamilton's military supply contracts provides credibility that fashion brands cannot replicate through marketing. What makes this number 1 is combining aviation functionality with dress watch versatility and practical day-date complication. The highly legible dial works perfectly for cockpit visibility while remaining elegant enough for boardroom presentations and formal occasions. The Swiss automatic movement and quality construction ensure this watch survives decades of daily wearing across every situation. While collectors accumulate specialized watches, the Pilot Day-Date delivers everything needed in one comprehensive Swiss automatic. This watch proves that the best one-watch collection isn't compromise but thoughtful design delivering versatility without sacrificing capability. The Hamilton Khaki Aviation Pilot Day-Date represents ultimate affordable Swiss watch that genuinely replaces entire collections successfully.